Hi, today I'm going to take you through a few steps of purging your hot tub. We've had a few parties in here, so it's about time. We're going to use this product that we found called Clean Start. It's pretty awesome, few essential steps before we're going to do that. It's always important to turn power off to the hot tub first. First step, we're going to take off these headrests. I'm just going to pile them over here. We have a saltwater tub, so next you'll want to move the salt cartridge, and we have a hot spring, so you'll press the water droplet, the icon on the right, and then OK. So to move the salt cartridge, next you'll want to remove the cap, press down on this button while pulling up on the two black ends. Next, we're going to be removing our filters. You're going to take the top off here. Taking the tops off and putting them in the tub. So here's the fun part. Now make sure all of your jets are open, and then we'll press the squirt button, and then select the farthest right icons, double squirt. Time for the cleaning agent. Now make sure your tub is 90 degrees or higher in temperature, and then we'll just pour this in. Gross, but at least you know it's working. Just proof this stuff really works. Look how much dirt already. So we're gonna start getting it out before it dries because it's much easier while it's still wet. Okay. Wow, I'm seriously impressed. Cleaning your filters is an important part of this process. So while you're still waiting for the water, you're going to take your cleaning spray, the Ultimate Spa Filter Cleaner, and you're going to want to spray the entire surface area of each filter. I like to spray this way it gets on the inside. Once it's covered, then you'll wait 5 minutes, and then you'll rinse with a hard stream of water. drain valve. If you're anal like me, and I'm sure most of you are, I'm going to use a wet dry vac to get out the last little bits of dirt. If you're super anal like myself, you can get the last bits out with a wet dry vac. Hard water here, so we use the on-the-go water softener when we refill the tub. That are all cleaned up, we're ready to refill. So you want to take your hose and put it directly in this gray tube here, and this will help eliminate any air in the system. You're ready to fill. Check your water hardness to make sure it's within specifications. I'd say it's at a 40. All right, now she's all ready to be turned back on. The water, as you can see, is higher than the top jets. The power on.